2012 Volvo single axle day cab tractor, 385 horse, out of a Volvo motor, fuller 10 speed behind it, 12,000 pound front, 20,000 pound rear. Let's take a quick walk around, see what we got going on. Nose and cab looking pretty good for you. Wind fairing up top, dual fuel tanks for you. Back tires look like they got some good meat on them. Airbags holding air. Fifth wheel doing what it does. Frame looking pretty clean on this one. Some surface rust. DEF underneath the door. Air ride seat. Again, fuller 10-speed manual transmission. Working AC. Pretty clean looking truck for you. Maybe a little surface rust here and there. A few little scratches, things and dents. Not too bad for a 13-year-old truck. All lights okay, reverse lights are out, washers, wipers, city horn, blower, ABS okay, check engine lights on, pretty typical, you know the drill. Bring your friends, bring your family, bring your computer, whatever it is. Plug it in, find out what's going on. 2012 Volvo single axle day cab tractor right here at Arthur TRO & Sons. Come on by, we'll put together a great package deal for you.